We are here to celebrate exactly that, the hard work and the determination of India's future doctors. A big round of applause to our bright shining stars of Sri Chaitanya. The number one, rank one. Let's give a roaring loud of applause for Kavish. Kavish is not able to reach here.
So friends, I am Kavish. I have 3-year regular class of students of Sri Chaitanya Academy. The academy is best. They provide us lots of study material, modules and classroom with sole detailed explanation. The test paper are very close to lead pattern, and I strongly recommend to every experience our solving, and the interaction with subject expert is easy. The faculty is ultimate, and we are encouraged to work hard, stay focused. If you are looking for a place to grow, learn and succeed, I strongly recommend you Sri Chaitanya Academy.
Though Kavish was not able to reach here, but he shared his video testimonial, and with the help of that, he shared his success story, and a credit to Sri Chaitanya. Thank you, Kavish. Second, I would like to call out Divya. She had clear INBO and qualified for OCSC camp. She also qualified INBO in the class 9th also. A roaring loud of applause for Divya. So, with unwavering focus and calm mind, she had conquered in NEET AIR 5. I would also like to call out the name Sameer. Sameer has got AIR 6. He has also qualified INBO. A big congratulations to Divya and Sameer. I would also like to call out the name of M. Varun, AIR 10. Yes, M. Varun. Congratulations, Varun.
Good afternoon, everyone. What a huge excitement today. As you can see, there's so many kids around. Very excited to be here to celebrate this with us. A lot of parents here, a lot of faculty, administrators here as well for this event. 2025 NEET has been a very unique paper. If we look back to 2018 NEET and 19 NEET, I think it's similar to that, but much better in standard compared to those papers. So it's a very crucial year and a turning point for all students preparing for NEET exam, even for the future. 2025 NEET result has been announced today around 12:30 p.m. So that's why a lot of kids could not make it in time today because the duration is very short. And if we look at this particular exam, our Sri Chaitanya students have done very well, like every single year. This year, starting with mains result, then advanced result, and in between a lot of MCET results, and now the NEET result. This is the last result of the academic year, and then we move on to preparing our kids for the next year going forward. If we look at the 2025 NEET, there are about 22 lakh students who have attempted this exam, out of which 12.7 lakh students are female students and 9.37 lakh students are boys. So the contribution of girl students is much higher in NEET. There is a 3 lakh difference. When we look at qualifying, about 55% of the total count has qualified in NEET 2025. That is about 12.36 lakh students have qualified overall. NEET exam is conducted for 720 marks with 180 questions. 144 mark is the cutoff for qualifying. In general category, if a student scores 144 mark and above, they have qualified in the exam. At Sri Chaitanya, we're all focused on mainly increasing the seat getting ranks of students because we understand the passion in the parent, we understand the passion in the student, how much drive they will have and they must have to prepare for NEET and to go for a medical college later on and do their post graduation. It's a long journey, but it's a very satisfying journey for a lot of children and parents because it gives them an edge. It gives them the social connect and a satisfaction that they're able to help a lot of people in their life, in their way, in their careers. The medical field is something we all revere. Whenever we are not okay, we go see a doctor. So it's something the world needs more and more. I think today India needs many more good doctors, many more nurses and many more medical professionals. So it's the reality today. And this is an area that will not go away. It will only keep increasing in expertise and also the numbers. So Sri Chaitanya, when it started off in 1986, I think this 40-year journey in Andhra, Telangana, if you ask any parent and any student, wanting to choose NEET and prepare for NEET, their answer would be Sri Chaitanya is the only choice. I think with a lot of hard work and support of parents and students, we have developed this reputation that Sri Chaitanya is the only choice for NEET, for any student wanting and dreaming to be a doctor. And we are able to achieve that and fulfill those requirements every single year. So especially this year, if we take the quality of the paper, I'm sure all the students will be able to tell you, it's a very unique paper. And there's a lot of information, comments on how difficult the paper is and how shocking the paper is. In different social media or students that you interact, they will tell you the same. But actually when you drill down and talk to students who are prepared well, it's not a very difficult paper. Yes, it is a good paper. When you compare it with the previous last 4 or 5 years of NEET papers, this is a very good quality paper where good questions were asked. I think the only correction that could have been done is to cut down the length of the paper. I think the length of the paper made it more difficult for students than the quality of the questions. But I'm happy to see that NTA had given a good NEET paper this year where a merit student can be identified, a well-prepared student will get an edge over the rest. So this is definitely an advantage to Sri Chaitanya students, and we anticipate that the number of students getting medical seats from Sri Chaitanya will be much higher this year because we always prepare our students with a lot of fundamentals, problem solving skills and mathematical orientation, which is the key for this paper. If you look at physics paper, it's given with a mathematical orientation and a lot of numericals in it. And that is our skill because we have thousands of IIT faculty, thousands of NEET faculty within our system who are able to set good quality papers and give it to students for practice. And we had anticipated that NTA will set a higher standard paper this year for sure. So we were able to prepare our students for better quality questions and give them good content and input so that they can elevate themselves to that level. Coming back to the key, this morning the final key was released around 9:30 a.m. and I'm very happy to see that the key changes were very few. There was only one physics question where 2 answers were given, and that's the only key change. It's quite happy to see that change because last few years every student was struggling with the key uncertainties, ambiguities, a lot of uncertainty. They prepared so hard for this exam, and at the end when so many changes happen, it's discouraging for a student who's done that hard work. There are 2 ambiguous questions in biology and few of our students have lost a mark because of that ambiguity. But all in all, we feel that it's a great paper and a good start to start preparing our students towards more of problem solving, thinking, developing their abilities in terms of that. So first rank, Kavish, he's from our Sri Chaitanya Academy. He's done extremely well. He will be joining us at 7 p.m. today because he was only able to leave this morning. Next, 5th rank, we have Divya here. We have Samir, 6th rank. Dheeraj Kumar is celebrating in Vijayawada with his team and family. 10th rank, Varun is here with us. So very happy to see all these children who has worked with us in the past few years. It's a journey where we all together go through this. The students, teachers, administrators, all of them work as a team for the betterment of the result, and that's how we are able to achieve this today. It's I think it's very novel idea to see these marks for below 10 to end it as high as 670 and below 100 to end at 645 marks out of 720 and for below 1000 to end at 605 marks. So the cutoffs have come down drastically when compared to each and every exam from before, every NEET exam. So that's good to hear that, good to see that, because in the future, Sri Chaitanya is always good at preparing students for the toughest of competitive exams, and this gives us an amazing opportunity to do even well as we go on. A lot of NEET preparing students have a question in mind. So now, if I do not get a medical seat this year in the medical college I want to, do I go for a long term or a repeater batch? And especially if the question paper standard is so high this time, what are my chances of getting into a medical college next year if I take a repeater batch? But my view is, the paper is not difficult, the paper is lengthy. If we identify and break it down, scoring a 600 mark in this paper is not that difficult if we prepare for such papers in the future. In this exam, if you see, there are a lot of our long-term students who have scored 600 plus marks. Several of them have got below 1000 ranks. There is a 630 mark, 626 mark, 616 mark. So these are all long-term repeater candidates who have scored those marks. So it's not difficult. It's planning for a new way of taking a NEET exam, which Sri Chaitanya is very strong at, and we will prepare you for that for sure. So trust your instinct, trust what your interests are, and pursue that goal. And we are here to train you for that in the next 8 to 10 months and make sure you reach that goal. Sri Chaitanya today is the only institution in both medical and engineering to secure the top 10 ranks, top 100 ranks, top 1000, and also the number of seats in engineering and medical colleges throughout the country. If you look at today's result also in Andhra, Telangana, the number of students below 100 ranks are the highest from Sri Chaitanya only. We are the only institute with the number of ranks below 100 in Andhra and Telangana. See, we are quite happy to maintain that supremacy as we go on, and I assure you, in the future, the results will be much, much better because the way of our working has changed with this paper, and now we know exactly what to work on and how to enhance it and how to make sure our students work in that direction. Quite happy to be here, and this year with mains results in top 10 with 300 on 300, and next advanced results in the top 10 and top 100 and number of 1000 ranks, and now with NEET also we have the similar tradition following. So quite happy to be here and do that. Today after the result, because of this paper, we were also thinking how each branch will perform. But once the result is announced, I'm quite happy to notice that each and every branch has contributed to a below 1000 rank. And each and every branch has increased more than their share of seat getting students. I think that's what the focus is, and that's what we need to work on. To give a better chance for each and every student to get into the best of medical colleges in the country, be it AIIMS or state medical colleges, and that's what we work for. And this paper has given us much more opportunity to get more students from Sri Chaitanya into these colleges. So thank you everyone again for your support and contribution. This would not have been possible without the support of our parents, our students, but more than that, our faculty and administrators who worked so much in all this confusion of different standard of papers of NEET every single year. There was a 720 paper, there was a 715 paper. If you look at the last 5 years, it's not easy to think in multiple dimensions and prepare such papers and prepare our students towards what to expect. But they have done it. So thank you everyone, and congratulations to all the parents, students, faculty members and administrators. This is quite an achievement. I hope to see all of you with great careers doing wonders in your lives. And I think medical field is changing so much with artificial intelligence and a lot of other things. So I hope you will widen your perspective and go into innovative areas where we can add more scientific approach and go on to new areas of development. Thank you.
Hi everyone, and if you're asking about my preparation journey, it has been like a hustle. For the past 2 years, it has been a grinding for this time that I have done. Like many times, there were ups and downs. I wasn't able to focus at times because my paper could have, the test could have gone a good result or a bad result, and after that, I would get really sad. But the thing that kept me going was that I had a goal, and that goal was to become a good human and to serve the nation. And I thought that being a doctor would help me do that work. And for that, I thought that small problems that are coming in my life aren't going to change much, but my only target that should be achieved. And for that, I work every day, and then I got these results. I think that's only my success story, and that's my motivation. That's only my mantra. One thing that I have to, that my life should go on and I should achieve what I want for.
Hi everyone, I am Mohammed. My journey is very mindful for the last years. I enjoyed it, learned many new things, and conquered the NEET. So, just want to say that follow your dreams and what you want to do in your life. And I want to be a doctor because it's very respected job and serve the nation. This is only what I want to say. Thank you. These 2 years, as everyone knows, NEET is one of the most toughest competitive exams in India, and this 2 years journey is very crucial in one's life to achieve what they want. Of course, the support of our faculty, our lecturers, which have been provided to us, was ultimate, and my support of our parents, my sister, and everyone who have been with me in these 2 years and supported me no matter what the ups and downs. Thank you to everyone, and all the best to all students who aspire to take this platform and want to become doctors. Thank you.
So looks like మనకి every year ఒక వరుణ్ ఉంటున్నాడండి, and you know it's very happy to see a beaming father here. Varun's father is here in దాని నుంచి with lot of pride in his eyes. So you know it's such a nice feeling to give that to a parent, right? I'm sure you know you can feel it. And for all the students here, nothing wonderful than that to make a parent proud. So of course మీరందరూ కష్టపడేది మీ లైఫ్ కోసమే కష్టపడాలి, కానీ parents are a very important part of the journey. So do your best. And ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి ఆనందాన్ని ఇవ్వటానికన్నా ఇంకా there is nothing much you can do for them. So let's work towards that to make that happen.
Thank you, Sushma ma'am, for sharing the wisdom and the complete statistics of NEET 2025 results of Sri Chaitanya. I would also like to thank Divya, Sameer, and Varun for sharing their success stories. It really inspires all the students who have just stepped into the NEET preparation. Now, I would like to continue with calling out the toppers of the Sri Chaitanya. So, AIR 12, Ashi Singh, due to the time constraints, she is not with us right now, but we wish you luck and have a wonderful future. Next, AIR 15, Manvendra Singh. AIR 16, C. Rachit Sinha. AIR 20, Rupayan Pal. AIR 33, Sameer. And AIR 37. So AIR 37, Nishant is with us. I would like to call Nishant. So a roaring loud of applause for Nishant. Congratulations, Nishant. AIR 38 with us, Tejas. I would like to call Tejas on the stage. A huge round of applause for Tejas. Congratulations, Tejas. AIR 48, Shanmukh. Congratulations, Y. Shanmugh. Welcome on the stage. So the clap shouldn't be stopped. Thank you. AR50, Abhijit Nagaraj. Congratulations, Abhijit. Abhijit is with us. AR60, Snehasis Das. AR63, Krutik Vijay Raja. AR64 is with us. P. Avinash. Congratulations, Avinash. Welcome on the stage. A huge round of applause for Avinash. Thank you. AR78, Rakesh. AR87, Raghav. AR92, Shiva Mandeep. Shiva is with us. Congratulations, Shiva, for securing AR92. So there are some students in my list. Because of the time constraints, they were not able to reach here. But we wish them all the best and good luck. AR 100, Muskan. AR 108, R. Brahmini. Brahmini, congratulations. And I remember the day we conducted a podcast with Brahmini, a day in a life of NEET toppers. So yeah, congratulations once again. AIR 129, B. Venkat Abhinay Chaudhary. Welcome on the stage. AIR 133, Kumugari Muhammad Sohil. Sohil on the stage. All right. AIR 192, Manaswini Siva. Congratulations, Manaswi. Please come on the dais. I think there are some students, they are on the way, and yes, definitely as soon as they will reach, we'll again felicitate them. AR 208, M. Anaga. Congratulations. So Raghav AIR 87 wants to share the video testimonial because he is not able to reach here. So we would like to play his video testimony.
कहते थे लोग जो काबिल नहीं है तू, देंगे वही सलामियाँ। दिल थाम के जहाँ देखेगा एक दिन तेरी भी कामयाबियाँ। करके देखा कमाल वो, आके ज़मीन पे दे के जाए आसमां। शाबाशी शाबाशी शाबाशी।
Thank you, Raghav, for sharing the video testimonial. and sharing your success story. Now I would like to call the rank 222, AR 222, Tivik Ram. Congratulations, Tivik Ram. A huge round of applause. AR 249, V. Wali Devasna. A beacon of dedication and self-belief with AR 249. She has made us all proud. Congratulations. AR 265, S. Lalit Varanya. Thanks for the roaring round of applause. Lalit is with us. Congratulations, Lalit. Lalit bhai. AR 286, Hem Hasit Natawa. So some of the students in my list, they are about to reach here. As soon as they reach, we'll again call out their name. AR 308, Bri Shruti. With books as her best friends and discipline as her mantra, she has secured AIR 308. Congratulations to B. Shruti. AIR 401, NS Muzaffar. Congratulations. AR 433, P. Harshit. Congratulations, Harshit. With unwavering focus and calm mind, he conquered NEET. Congratulations to P. Harshit. AIR 433. AR 443, G. Sai Ritvik. Ritvik is with us. Congratulations, Ritvik. AR 469, Akhiraran Reddy. Congratulations, Akhiranan. A silent warrior who let his results speak with the AIR 469, Akhiranan Reddy. Congratulations. AIR 681, Saida Faryadin. Sorry. Let's welcome Saida. A huge round of applause for Saida. AR 681. AR Ikshit Verma. AR 710, Ikshit Verma. Congratulations, Ikshit. Ikshit is with us. AR 718, B. Sai Satvika. Congratulations, Satvika. AR 738, Tirumani Desini. AR 767, Chanakya. A big round of applause for everyone, for all the toppers of NEET 2025. AR 817 Zahida Ariba. AR 840 M Akul Yadav. AIR 861 K Pragna. Pragna is with us. Congratulations, Pragna. AR 879 Chetan Saivi. Welcome, Chetan, and congratulations. A beacon of dedication and self-belief. AR 933 Advika. Congratulations, Advika. So we have got a list of the toppers of the Sri Chaitanya till the AR 1000. There are more students and there are yet another set of the students who are about to reach here.